Hi, I'm Kennedy. Welcome back to the Our First Home series. For this episode, we built a pallet couch, which is crazy because we built a whole piece of furniture. Okay, I don't know why I keep saying we because, okay, you helped me, never mind. This episode, we're building a pallet couch, which is crazy because we built this whole piece of furniture from scratch, which I think sometimes you can tell we built it from scratch, but that's okay. For this whole episode and also right now, we're in this little town called New Hamburg. We're actually here because this is where Nathaniel's family lives, and we actually lived here for like 5 months during the pandemic. So this series probably wouldn't even exist without Steve and Jessica and all of the help that they gave us. And Steve has a million tools. He has like 100,000 screwdrivers. So any shots that you see of me in like a building studio, that's Steve's stuff. I wish I had all those tools, but I don't. Both of them?
Yeah, and stop driving so fast.
Am I driving too fast? Okay, so basically we're on the hunt, on the search for some pallets so that we can make our pallet couch. Should we?
There's one right there.
Oh.
Just whip around.
Whip it. There's the stuff. I can lift it. These are good. They're sturdy. I see how this is gonna go. You're gonna be the camera person, so you're gonna get out of doing all of these tasks. That's fine. Because I am strong. Oh!
Okay.
Oh, it's still no helping. Okay.
Very strong. Very strong.
Perfect. Okay, we're back. I like this one because it looks like it has a burn hole in it, so it adds character. Oh God.
You're so strong.
Thanks. All right. So we were really lucky because we were in New Hamburg when we were finding a pallet, and there's a lot of places where they just kind of throw those out in this area. But if you're in a big city or anywhere else where it's harder to find, then you can actually just Google it and find pallets in your area, and people sell them for like $3. So it's not a crazy expense and they're really accessible. Don't steal them though. Don't go to a grocery store and just grab them because they actually use those. So make sure to subscribe so that you can get a notification when we post our next video. All the supplies that you see when we build the couch, you can actually find at any hardware store. It's basically just a bunch of pipes and flanges. Welcome back to Nathaniel's dad's garage. We're back near the goats and the cows, and we're here to build a couch. First, we're gonna sand it so we don't get slivers in our bums. So I'm just gonna put my goggles on and a 3M mask so I don't inhale any pieces of wood. Okay, so now that we've sanded it, what we're gonna do, because this pallet is a little bit short lengthwise, we're gonna add some 2x4s on the sides, and then we're gonna build the arms of the couch. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. If you also want to build a pallet couch, you don't necessarily need to do this 2x4 part, but since our apartment is small, we just wanted a smaller couch. But if you want more of a normal size couch, you can just get 2 pallets, or if you want like an L shape, you can get 1 pallet this way and 1 going that way. It just depends what you want, what your space looks like. But obviously ours is pretty small, so we don't need anything crazy. I just realized I've been wearing these goggles on top of my head when they should be on my face. Feel free to come build an arm.
Okay. I have 9 minutes left.
Start going. I'm determined that we will have a seat by tonight. This looks a little wonky. I feel like it's not.
It's not that tight, that's why.
Did you make it?
No.
Yes, that one's mine. You are just... It's not that tight, that's why. You're the one who freaking made it, huh? Okay. I think they have to be 5.5 on each side. Let's see how it fits. It's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, awesome. So the next time you see the couch, it'll be in our living room with a sheet and pillows and, oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. Hello, welcome back to finishing our couch. We have brought it into our living room and now we're just gonna decorate it and then it'll be done. We had to change the size of the pipe because it was just a bit too high. So if you notice a difference, that's what happened. So you just buy a crib mattress, like one for babies, and then that's basically the bottom of your couch. And the great part is you can get any sheet color, so you can change the color of your couch whenever you get bored with it, or if it gets dirty, you can just clean the sheets or buy new ones. Put your little baby sheet on. Okay. So the package of sheets came with 2 sheets. So what we're gonna do is we got some old patio pillows from a thrift store and we're just gonna cover them with the sheet and then it'll look like a full couch. Tosser. As you can see, these are hideous and disgusting. But, thank you. But they're gonna make really good back support cushions because obviously that's what they're for. What Barker and I also did was we got a bunch of huge pillows from Walmart for like 20 bucks each, just so that we could add a little bit of extra support. Could you pass me the white pillow, please? But this is the part where, once again, if you are gonna build your own couch, you can really just do whatever you want with it. Like, it doesn't have to be the exact same. It can just be It can be fun and you can just design it in your own way, and that's kind of the fun part about it. So now that we've got the main part of the couch done, I'm just gonna add some little armrests so that we don't have to lie our head on the pipe. I got these really cute pillowcases. Can you pass them to me? And the dirty old pillows. Thank you. Thank you. So we have these old pillows lying around that are disgusting. Please don't judge, but they're really comfortable, so we're still going to use them. But we're just gonna cover it up with these cute little yellow pillowcases. Okay, so that's one. Cute. Now we don't have to lie down on pipe if we ever decide to take a nap, or if I ever decide to take a nap.
This color scheme's good.
It looks nice?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see. Cute. And then if you want, you can add some accent pillows and stuff, but for us, I think this is a pretty good size. Like you could take a nap. So the couch, check. I liked making the couch. I definitely liked making the couch more than I liked making some of the other projects, because I felt more freedom within this project, and it's actually, depending on how complex you want to make the design, but the one that we did was pretty easy. So I think because of the simplicity, I definitely enjoyed it more and felt more freedom and joy. Also, I like sanding. Sanding's really fun. The couch cost total, including all the supplies, about $200. So that was a good price for us because we didn't want to spend a crazy amount on a couch. And I know sometimes you can get furniture cheaper secondhand, but we wanted to make sure the couch was really custom to our apartment because our space is so small. We want to make the most out of it, and I think we did for a pretty cheap price. Thinking back now, if I was building the couch, I would definitely build a backboard for it because right now we just have the cushions. And I think sometimes I'm getting old. I'm gonna be 25 this year, so my back hurts. And I think I need some more back support, and I think Nathaniel does too. And it would have added more structure to the couch, which I think would have been good, but you know what? We could still do that. The next episode, we're gonna be finishing up the living room, adding some decor, doing a gallery wall. All right, well, this is also just gonna be a general idea of what's going on, I guess. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Bye!